What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's an absolute gorgeous day outside, and a lot of you guys, ever since my last Infiniti video, have been requesting me to sort of do a little POV sort of rip around. So I feel like today's a very sort of fitting day to do it. Beautiful day, sunlight shining. I think we'll throw the sunroof down and go for a little rip. All right, let's go. right, there you go, guys. About 10-15 minutes of pure pleasure for me, sort of just ripping around the streets on this gorgeous day. Hopefully you got some good sort of exhaust notes and stuff like that. As I said before in other videos, this car has been a joy to sort of live with. You know, pretty cost efficient kind of car that really, you know, does everything that you need to do. Again, nothing crazy, not a crazy sort of performance vehicle, but doesn't come with performance Porsche sort of Lamborghini prices, which is really cool. Yet, you know, just kicking around the city, as you can see and as you just saw in the video, so much fun with the upshifts and the downshifts and the paddles. As always, guys, I would love you to sort of like and subscribe. This is something that I'm really working at for the time being and going forward, and trying to come to you guys with some good content. So if there's anything else you'd like to see, don't hesitate to let me know. Jump on the comment section and get at me. All right, until next time, look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.